Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors, and I just want to talk to you today as a home buyer. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, well, welcome back. The first thing that you'll love is all the inventory, and all is kind of a loose word because you know how the inventory has been lately. But as a whole, the graphs that we see, spring and summer, more people putting their home on the market, they're ready, school's out, moving, different things like that. So just look for more inventory as we progress into the selling season for sure. There's always more that come on the market. And then secondly, that you'll hate is all the competition. So as our buyer's agents here in the office with me, that we're still seeing multiple offers, and people are losing things because of, it's not cash or financing, or you've got something to close or different things like that. So that does kind of stink actually as a buyer. Just be aware of that. Think of different things that you could do that would spruce up your offer compared to somebody else's. And we can talk to you about ideas about that. And another thing you'll love is open houses. I've actually gone back to open houses as far as my listings because inventory is low and more people are out looking. So I think you'll see more open houses as we go, and even different times of the day. And it's not always just Sundays, but the majority are Sundays. So look for that. And if you want to know some of where those are, we're happy to send you what we have and what we know that's out there as well. So that way you can kind of get a feel. Even if you're just starting to look and you go through open houses, you can kind of get a feel on the price point, what's out there, improvements, no improvements. So it's just kind of a good idea just to go through them to see what you can find. And what you'll hate is the time pressure. So with the multiple offer situations that we have, with it still being a lot of a seller's market, you'll hear different things across the nation about being a buyer's market. Memphis is not. As a whole in most of the areas, and I'm happy to, you can call me, give me a zip code, area, subdivision, I can tell you if this is or not, but as a whole, we're still seeing it, that it's pretty much a seller's market. It's shifting for sure, but it's still on the seller side. So you'll see, time pressure. They want an answer and they want it now. Some people won't compete. I mean, I've had somebody who's like, I'm not going to be in, competition with offers, but that's a lot of what you'll see with the time pressure. And then higher prices. If you saw my last video, we talked about what's going on in the different zip codes, and you can see the increase in the price per square footage in tons of areas here in Memphis with the zip codes. So, there have been an increase as well. So all that's, legit, and we're happy to run those numbers for you so you can see it. But those are good things and bad things, as a buyer looking for homes this spring. So we're here to help. Happy full-time job, what we do all the time. Look for our buyers, and we know things that are coming on the market before they hit the market. So if you want that information as well, we're happy to share that with you. But just feel free to reach out to myself or my team. The number is 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.